Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to find Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. Alright, let's begin. First, open the Cash App on your device. At the bottom of the screen, tap the clock icon to access your activity page. This section displays all past transactions including deposits, withdrawals, and purchases. If you recently made a Bitcoin transaction, it should be near the top. For older transactions, scroll down to find the one you're looking for. Focus on transactions labeled as withdrawals, since sending Bitcoin from your Cash App is categorized this way. Once you find the correct Bitcoin withdrawal, tap on it to open the transaction details. On this page, look for an option called Web Receipt and tap it. This will bring up a detailed summary of the transaction. In the Web Receipt view, you'll find various transaction details such as the status, amount sent, and receiving address. Scroll down to the section labeled Transaction. Here, you'll see a long string of letters and numbers in blue. This is your Bitcoin transaction hash ID. To copy it, tap the small white copy icon next to the ID. A notification will appear, confirming it has been copied to your clipboard. You can now paste it wherever needed, for record keeping, verification, or sharing. So that's basically how you can find Bitcoin transaction ID on Cash App. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.